step into the 2008 Ford Mustang. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power mirror, auxiliary audio input, rear bench seat, passenger airbag sensor, passenger airbag, AC, floor mats, pass-through rear seat, and variable speed intermittent wipers. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.